Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's vlog where I'm going to be showing you around my apartment. Come in. Okay, so just because we've passed it already, this is our guest bathroom on the left. Pretty sweet, pretty nifty. There's an empty vase in there as well. The reason that it's in there is because I had some dead flowers in there for a week, and then I poured the moldy jus down the toilet and just kind of left that there. So yeah, let's forget about that. I'm going to show you guys the kitchen where my amazing cooking skills are put to use. So it's a really good size. It's nice and modern. We have a dishwasher. Come on. Oh no, there's dirty stuff in it. I'm so used to being back at the flat, hand washing everything, which we still kind of do. I've been doing some washing before you guys got here. And we bought a smoothie maker the other day, which is awesome. It is our little magic bullet. We've been trying to be really healthy and make little smoothie bowls, and this is lunch for later. Yeah. We ran out of kitchen towel. Kitchen towel, that was cool. Yeah. The nice thing about here is because the flat was already furnished before we came in, like we didn't have to buy anything, so we've got like cooking utensils, bowls, pans, anything, you name it, we've got it. Like up here we've got plates, bowls, galore, so many glasses, mugs. We bought these actually. These we put our smoothies in and our iced coffees. And then some wine glasses for the many guests that we have not had round here at all because COVID and everything. Obi actually has his own cupboard. Ta-da! But yeah, I'll show you the fridge. It's actually stocked for once, so I'll show you guys what's inside. So we did a bit of a shot. We're trying to cook more like veggie vegan meals, so tons of fruit down here. We've got like tofu for the drinks. And then all our different like milks. This is the bomb. And then just like some leftovers, but yeah. Oh, basically, this is because Obi had like his first shed of the season. This is Obi, if you haven't met Obi already. He's super cute. He's a Pomsky, so he is half Pomeranian, half Husky. And look, he knows. He knows his fur is in there. So you have to brush them like every day at super high maintenance for like a couple months. And I've got a little science project going on, just like my dead flowers in the bathroom. But look at this. No! Go on, take a close up of that. Anyway, you weren't meant to see that. Let's move into the living room. We have this phone, which I really don't know what it's for. I actually don't think that's connected, but yeah. Lovely open space. I love that there's this awesome breakfast bar as well. So we don't really use it that much. We have coffees, sometimes we chill there, but mainly we use this table. That's where I do my work. This is where we chill. Again, everything was here when we got here, which is awesome. It's nice because it's easy for us, but we would like to put our own finishing touches in places, but yeah, we'll see. This, I'll show you this because we bought it the other day. It's a cute little plant thing pot with moss in. But she's so pretty. Also, this cute little house. So cute. This is predominantly Obi's territory. His toys are currently there, but you'll probably see some of his bones and chew sticks around because I mean, if you have children, you'll know. Obi also really likes to chill on the beanbags. I'll tell you a funny story actually. So these curtains, when we got here, were perfectly placed, like immaculate. Like the pleats were just spot on. But then we were having a movie night and G decided to undo the curtain, which makes sense, but in doing so, ruined the pleats. So, like, we've gone from this, beautiful, 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 to this. Good job! And we actually haven't opened these windows, they do open, but it's so hot, and then the dust that comes through as well, like we just haven't even bothered. But Obi really loves to sit here. This is his little ledge. But like all of these markings on the window is him just breathing heavily, looking out at the people down below. I need to clean that. So yeah, the living room is Obi's playroom, but it's also our playroom too. We've got this really cool TV that was fitted just before we moved in, and it's a 3D television. Like, I didn't know you could get those. We have these funky cool little glasses, which we haven't even used or attempted to use yet, but they are there when we need it. We've got Nintendo Switch, and then G also brought his PlayStation, of course, so it's underneath, and we brought our HomePod too. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
This one's for the kids. Why do hummingbirds hum?
I don't
Because
know.
they can't remember the words.
Okay. Yeah, let's crack on. Through here is our bedroom. It's a pretty awesome space actually. It's pretty open, but anyway, you'll see. Come on. Welcome to the boudoir. This is where the magic happens. They always do that in MTV, so I thought I'd do it too. Yay! I'd likes to come here and snuggle with us too. This is my side of the bed. I've just messed that up completely. This is my side, that's G's side. I'll show you these really cute prints our friend made for us. He's a really cool tattoo artist back in Brighton called Mike Stout. Definitely check him out. I'll leave his link in the description box below. But yeah, he has loads of cute prints. He also gave us like these little pin badges as well. He does like bookmarks and stuff as well. So yeah, this table I kind of felt was annoying when I first got here, but if I'm not in the living room, I'll do some work here as well. I like it because there's a lot more light that comes through. I've got the view over the balcony. Also, it means I can get away from G. Love you. This is Obi's bed. We decided to crate-train him when we first got him as a puppy, and so that ended up in many, many sleepless nights of him crying, but it was so worth it because he does really enjoy it now, and we've got a little cool pad in there for him and his blanket, and I think since moving out here was definitely a good safe space for him because obviously new surroundings and all that. Shall I show you the balcony? Nah, I'll show you the bathroom first. So this is what I love, like it's very fluid. You can close this door here so you're shut off from the main living area, and then you've got like bedroom into the bathroom. This is my favourite room. Look how big this bathtub is. It's huge. This is, you know what this is. But we also have one of these little bidet things. I don't use it. Well, I do. I just wash my feet in it, or like his and hers sinks. Pretty nice. I really love the fact that we have our own sinks because back at home, there was always a fight for the sink over who was brushing their teeth first. So now we didn't have any problems like that. You know, we get on well. And the shower, again, Mahusiv. Proper old rain shower. It is only on one setting, and that is warm because we live in the desert and the cold water warms up in the pipes. So we bought this when we first moved in, so it is literally the first thing that we got for this apartment. The OG. And I have saved the best to last. The wardrobe room. It's actually a mess. This is probably the messiest room. As you can probably tell, my side. I don't have many clothes. I've got a lot of shoes. Oh, I've also got some clothes over there, but let's not look because there's like a mop and bucket over there. So a mop and bucket. And these are G's clothes. His is actually a lot neater than my side. I'll give him that. But when we moved over here, we only had one suitcase each. So this is literally like that. One suitcase each for your whole life. Like, how do you pack that up? This needs some love. Bags, my shoes, and this is kind of like the miscellaneous section, plonked with a Louis. So yeah, that's the wardrobe room. Let's get out. It's pretty hot, pretty cramped in here. Yeah, that's it. So that is our apartment. Very lucky, in a lovely area. We are on the Palm Jumeirah, and we are on the Golden Mile. So it's on the trunk of the palm, and what we liked about this place is that it's a very dog-friendly community. So especially for Obi, we just go in the elevator, go downstairs, and then we can take him for walks. And also, it means that he can like be social and meet other dogs as well. And
that is so wonky. It's been behind you the whole time, just really wonky.
I can just stay as is. Yeah, it's really nice downstairs. We've got a Spinneys, which is like Waitrose, but you know, way more expensive because everything's imported over here. And we're close to G's parents as well. It's all walking distance, and yeah, we just really enjoy living here. So I have no idea how much it is monthly. You guys can work that out and do the math because I'm awful. But roughly it's about £18,000 for the year. That's not including bills. So you've got air conditioning to pay for, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is expensive out here. Wi-Fi is about £80 to £90 a month, and that's just like for quite a standard megabytes per second.
Pretty good megabytes per second.
It's pretty good megabytes per second, but like on paper it's fast, but because there's so many people here on the Palm, it's slow, and your signal cuts in and out as well. So that's a bit, yeah, pants. And then because you're on the Palm, you have to factor in like public transport costs or taxi costs because we don't have a car. So compared to living back in England, especially where we were in Hove, it does kind of work out the same. I'd say you do get good like bang for your buck out here. Buck for your bang? Buck bang for your buck. I don't know, that's an American saying. But I actually thought it'd be a lot more expensive to live out here, and you know, we're definitely not living cheaply, but it is affordable. So it's doable, definitely. And I forgot, I didn't show you guys the balcony, so let's get to it.
I thought I was going to...
So I will warn you that it's pretty noisy out there. out there. We overlook main Rome. But it's nice because we've got the 5 and there's like a square cutout. You'll see what I mean. And you can look through towards the White Harbour. So this is the balcony. It's really, really hot. Like I'm instantly starting to sweat already. I think it is like 42 degrees today. Super duper hot. When it gets to winter time, like October, it's gonna be super nice, like Mediterranean vibe kind of weather. So we'll be sitting here a lot more often. And also, like, as you can see from the sun patch, you get some sun along here. So you can do a bit of sunbathing if you want to. Again, too hot right now. I'm gonna get out the sun because I'm so hot. This is also where Obi comes to do his potty when it's too hot to go downstairs. The pavement really heats up. Not good for his little toes, so he's got this little wee patch. And we made it a nice area for him. We got this new plant. As you can probably tell by now, we are quite into our plants. Yeah.
You've only showed them 2 plants. Why would they think you're into plants?
Well, because we've got this as well.
How's that succulent thing?
Woo! It is so hot. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me in today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed having a little nosy around my apartment. But you guys gotta go now. But before that, please, if you did like today's video, leave a like, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already. But get out of here. Go. Go.